Hello guys, good morning once again. I'm here to take you on how to create or how to use the Ninite.com or the Ninite site to download software for your computer, your laptop, or whatever. So I'll take you straight to the laptop and let's do that very quick. Okay, very easy to do. So please watch out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if it's your first time seeing my video. Okay, I love you all. Hello guys, as I said earlier on, we are here to know how to use the nanite.com, and I want to let you guys know what a nanite.com is before we get into the use of it. So let's go. What is a nanite? Let's just check that out. Okay, what is so over here I want us to know what a nanite software is. Or if you can read, you can see over here. This is what a Ninite software is. Ninite software is a software package manager that allows users to automatically install and update popular applications on their Windows. So we are going to use this software. I'm going to teach you how to use this software to download softwares to your computer or on your laptop or PC, whatever. So let's go to nanite.com. A very familiar site that I always use to download my software. So nanite.com, you come here, you go to, you can see I already tried to use that software before. So let's go straight to Nanite. So I get here, you already have it open, and you are going to just select any software. If it's Chrome, you have your web browsers, your messaging softwares, your media softwares, they are all here available. Your runtimes, you have your imaging or document security, online storage, whatever you want to do, they are all available. Even to the extent that the developer tools used to develop apps and softwares are always available at the Nanite. So after you selecting, let me use one of these as an example. Avast, let's use the Avast security virus. I'm downloading the Avast virus, so I select it. Then you come back to get your Nanite. So you click on this. It's going to take you here. So don't worry, just let it load. Already, it's already downloaded. You can check over here. Avast is here. So I'm just going to open it and check it in my folder. So when you open to this place, you are going to see this. Double tap on this. You already downloaded Nanite. I'm going to install it. You can run a straightforward install if you want to. So you can be watching. You can see it's loading, preparing to set up. This is the setup. Downloading Avast. So now before your software is going to download, and make sure your Wi-Fi is connected before you are doing all this. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected or your PC is connected to your Wi-Fi. Okay, before you are doing all this, so that you can download everything successfully. And over here, after you are downloading, you are done downloading, you are going to open your software successfully. Just install on your computer and use it as normal as that. It's better than you going to other side to be trying to download the software you want and you don't get the original one. But for Nanite, you are going to get everything as it is or as you want. Nanite will give you every info about the software you are going to use. So that's all I can tell you about Ninite as at now. So guys, when you see this video, you like, you share, you comment as well. For more updates will be coming on this channel soon. I love you all. So I will take you guys to another lesson as well in our next video coming up. So please make sure you subscribe to the site, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. That's